Okay, we're looking at question 9, and it's asking us to evaluate the piecewise function at the given value of the independent variable. We're given the piecewise function f of x is equal to x minus 3 with the restriction that x has to be anything greater than 5, and the argument x minus 3 multiplied by negative 1 with the restriction that x has to be anything less than or equal to negative 5. Our independent variable is f of negative 8. Now remember, with function notation, otherwise known as f of x, we know that the x inside of the parentheses, your argument, is your x value. That is where numbers are plugged in. So looking back at this, we know that our negative 8 is going to be plugged into every x value in our function. So to know which function of our piecewise that this has to go into, let's go ahead and look at the restrictions. We know that we have negative 8. Looking at our first function, x has to be anything greater than 5. Negative 8 is not greater than 5, so we already know that we're not going to be working with our first function. So let's look at our second function to make sure this satisfies the restriction. X has to be anything less than or equal to negative 5. We know that negative 8 is less than negative 5, so this means we will be working with our second function. So now that we know that we're working with our second function, let's go ahead and plug in our independent variable negative 8 into our second function. So f of negative 8 is equal to negative our x value negative 8 minus 3. Negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11. Remember, you have that negative on the outside, so a negative times a negative is a positive. So we know that negative 1 times negative 11 is going to be positive 11. This means that when f of x is f of negative 8, this means that our y will be 11. As always, comment below with any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe.